To fix PlayStation stars that are not working, start by checking the official PlayStation website for any server maintenance or outages. If there are no issues on their end, proceed to restart your PlayStation console. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues and get PlayStation stars working again. Next, ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can prevent PlayStation stars from functioning correctly. Try resetting your router or switching to a wired connection to see if this resolves the issue. If the problem persists, check that your PlayStation account is in good standing and that you have not exceeded the maximum number of rewards or points. Also, verify that you have the latest version of the PlayStation app installed on your device, as outdated software can cause compatibility issues. Another potential solution is to clear the cache and data of the PlayStation app. This can help remove any corrupted files or data that may be causing the issue. To do this, go to your device's settings, select the PlayStation app, and choose the option to clear cache and data. Additionally, try logging out of your PlayStation account and then logging back in. This can help refresh your account information and resolve any issues related to your account. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be worth contacting PlayStation support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed troubleshooting steps or help you resolve any underlying issues that may be causing the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix PlayStation stars that are not working and get back to earning rewards and points. Remember to always keep your software up to date and your internet connection stable to minimize the risk of issues with PlayStation stars.